So how do you read WhatsApp unread message? The message which is still not opened, So first, just let me show you my WhatsApp. As you can see, in my WhatsApp, I'm having 12 messages from this group, Highway, and 6 messages from my friend called Hook. So, but like if I open and read, he will know that I have, like read the message. But if you don't want to open it and read, so but still you want to know how it's done, so first you just do is you press the home screen, the home button, and once you come in this, just long press. Once you long press, you can see widgets. Just click widgets, and once you open widgets, you just go to WhatsApp. Where is WhatsApp? So here it is, the WhatsApp. So just long press on it and just drag it on the screen, and you just put the create button. Now as you can see, I have 18 unread message. So how do you do is long press again, and you can just extend it a little bit, and then you can just read all the messages without opening WhatsApp. So that's how you read. And when you see WhatsApp, they will not know that you have seen the message, and that's the trick for reading messages. Thanks.